This is a demo of how to make SQL Server available for your users. First, the provider admin, and we're logged in as the provider admin here, needs to create a template and publish. Once published, that template becomes available for the users to create SQL Server instances. In this context, a template is a software blueprint of a version of a database engine. I'll show you what I did to create these three templates. First, I picked a container image. For that, I went to the Microsoft website, and here's a list of all the container images they have available. I picked the latest 2019 version, and I will show you the exact commands. I used nerdctl to pull the image. Nerdctl is a Docker-compatible CLI, and so you can use Docker, and the parameters will be identical. Once the image is pulled, I saved that image as a tar.gz file in my downloads. So now we can go back to the provider admin UI. To create the three SQL Server templates you see here, I clicked on Create Template. I selected the engine, SQL Server, and then as version name, you can just copy and paste the container image name. And that's what I did, like this. As editions, I chose Enterprise, Standard, and the Developer editions here. And then finally, the file that I saved. So this file, notice, is 560 megabytes, which is quite big. And depending on your server and your network speed, it might take some time. For me, it took about 20 minutes. And once this process finished, these three templates were created. That's it. That's all the provider admin has to do to create these templates. Then I published two of the three templates so that the users can now create SQL Server instances for the standard and the developer editions here. And I also have a tab open to our docs. And as you're watching this demo, you can go to this page and go through the details. If you have any questions, there is also a send feedback link here. We will now log in as the org admin UI to create a SQL Server database. So let's log out. Let's go to org admin and databases. And here we're going to say create DB. As you can see now, we have the SQL Server option in addition to Postgres and MySQL options. And let's choose this. And for the database versions, the two templates that we have published for the standard and the developer editions are available here. So at this point, users can go ahead and create SQL Server instances. Now you can go ahead and give it a try.